mid now. Oh, they're gonna do it. Are they doing it?
Yeah.
I'm doing Guardian.
Oh,
I'm doing Guardian
they
this time.
like
Thank you.
try.
Now we turn on him.
Turn me.
Look at
Just look at Lullaby.
Buriso.
Look at Lullaby. Look at Lullaby. Look at Lullaby. Look at Lullaby.
Pierce Bariso.
Okay, look at Burios then.
Budios.
Man in the back.
Wait, everyone, be careful, everyone. You're kinda low.
Avon, you're the only one that's low.
Fuck
4
me,
seconds for
sir.
Guardian.
Come on.
Something great.
I queued. Look.
Yeah, you have it. Go in, go, kill him.
Look at the healer
I got
actually.
here.
Look at the Gucci.
Yeah. Come back.
Okay, no. It's
Fine,
fine.
fine,
I blocked the carving. They literally can't kill him.
Look at Lullaby. Look at Lullaby. I'm popping rocks.
Have it, everyone. Come back south. Walk south. They're coming, they're looking.
Yeah, them fucking swords.
I feared one. You first.
I'm dropping rocks.
They're gonna go now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
No. Carving lost stacks.
They have no
Carving
stacks.
lost
Okay, fuck. I think I rest for no reason.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Look at Burios here.
No, Avon, don't overstay. I have nothing. I kinda don't wanna stay. Avon. Oh,
Nice
Oh,
fireball.
No carving. Was that carving?
No, that was Judy Boot Arcane.
Mana. We have mana.
Mana in 10 seconds.
But fuck, fire is gonna come to us soon.
Mana in 3, mana in 2, mana in 1, mana now.
Okay, let's just drop everything under Arcane, okay? I'm looking at Arcane.
Drop it now.
This is a bad spot where let's go.
I know. Just punish this fucking melee here.
Fuck, he's
Yes, we just played
You're
slow.
fighting in Judy.
Look at Arcane here.
They're doing it right.
I blocked again.
Look at Arcane.
Arcane's like way
I'm gonna stun
deep in
Arcane.
us.
I'm stunning Arcane. Look at Arcane.
Arcane's pierced. Died.
That's well done.
Nice. That's the way we play. Mana in the back.
Okay.
Yeah,
Why
but
did
Don't die now, we can just recover now.
I'm dropping rocks.
just recover, just
I
recover.
haven't
Yeah,
TD yet.
Who died? Who died?
Arcane.
They're Arcane.
We kill
Okay.
Arcane.
Bozos. They can still win.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
we're easy.
Put it on me, Marshall.
No soldier armor on the healer.
shoulder helmet.
That's the healer.
Healer's
Nice.
pierced.
Can they kill him?
Pierced him. I'm gonna slow him. Healer's
They're
slow.
coming, they're looking.
They can keep
I'm
I'm
blocked
just
him.
gonna stun that healer. Me and Probar the killer, okay?
Mana
Just full kite, guys.
We don't need to. Kill a Claymore.
I drank a res, it's fine, they can kill me.
Claymore is 1 HP in the back.
They
Magic
can
here?
kill me. Save.
Oh, you were the one.
Why the fuck was that such a small heal?
Yeah, I was like you.
We're anti-healed.
I was on that res.
Who died?
I
No?
died, what the fuck?
Yeah, they gave up.
Nice.
Hey, they had loads of fame.
But you didn't see, but some like the enemy didn't save me. It was strange.
I take the carving.
I'll take,
I'll
the
take
blood
Claymore,
token.
I guess.
That's so much infamy.
Yes, I got
Healer?
like, my
I
cap.
have 85k infamy.
80k.
No,
max
oh, I have
record.
95k. This
Wait,
healer.
Is the
Yes.
is the carving a fucking
Carving.